always tracking, always alerting. This is Next Weather.
Well, you're in the dry season here where you have 20% rain chances at best over the next few days. And, this is not going to be a lot of moisture. So even though the coverage will be up to 20%, the kind of rainfall that falls is important. And it's not going to be a lot because there's not a lot of moisture around. In fact, the humidity, even here at the surface, will be dropping as well. And of course, we have plenty of dry air upstairs. And so all of that combines to, even when we do get a little chance of shower activity, the showers are shallow. They just don't climb in the atmosphere. And when you don't do that, you don't get thunderstorms and you don't get big rain coming up here. So looking good. Next frontal boundary comes in out ahead of it. We'll get some moisture starting to pull up ahead of it for Sunday and into early next week. And that's why Saturday looks very dry. 0, and then we'll start bumping things up 10-20% coverage beginning through next week. But first things first, I get ahead of ourselves here because we got Thursday to plan out for. You see, you wake up early enough. Lisette will be tracking some showers there, and how interesting, right? Our season just completely changes. Instead of pop-up showers, you get this flow that just drives them in along the coast. And at the coast, that's when they can be a little bit more on the moderate side when you get that kind of convergence there. You get the showers coming in with the friction off the water, and then rising air tends to give them a little bit more oomph, but otherwise we're looking pretty good for the next few days. Checking in on the tropics, of course, hurricane season not done, the wet season maybe, but 46 days out. We still get plenty of activity through the latter part of October and into November. In South Florida, no stranger to tropical storms and even hurricanes. We've had plenty during that time. The good thing is next 7 days, nothing, but the next 18 to 14 days, something tries to get going in the Western Caribbean. The way I see it right now, the European models has been pretty steady on developing something here, but very weak and pushing it towards Central America, not north. So not climbing latitude, more longitude, and that is it. So we are looking good as far as tropics. Rip current threat tomorrow returns. It's going to be on the high side, northeast winds 10 to 15. No alerts for the Atlantic waters of the Florida Keys. So if you're taking out the boat on a Thursday, looking good. Same deal for Friday. And then by Friday afternoon, the winds pick up a little bit, may start getting into some small craft cautions there. Otherwise, Saturday looks great. Sunday, an uptick in moisture and rain chances, which continues into next week.